What's up guys, it's Gautam here from TechLancer. It's been a long since we made a video here, but this video is going to be pretty important because recently this month we did not receive the payment from Google AdSense. I hope most of you guys must have been facing this as well, and so that's what we are going to see in this video. Every single month 21st we get the mail triggered from the Google AdSense that your payment has been initiated, and by 23rd all the payments have been done. So but this month there has been a delay from Google Send, so almost most of the people across the globe did not receive this payment this month. So please do not get panicked, and so many people they think that their money have been lost and not been transferred from Google, and they try to keep changing their bank account and all those stuff. So please don't get panic. All your money is safe with Google, so you'll be getting all your money in month end or like starting off next month. So please don't get panicked, and all your money is safe with Google. Surely they'll transfer all your amount. There can be some technical glitches from the Google end, so that's what the payment is getting bit delayed. So do not get panic or not try to change any bank account at this particular point in time, because during the transfer, then that might cause another confusion and might take a bit longer than usual also. So please do not try changing anything. So there must be some fault from the Google's end, not only you, not only me. So there are people across all over the globe who has not received payment till now, and surely this will be rectified from the Google's end. So that's what, and I think this video will be really helpful. Make sure that you share this video with most of your friends who are doing YouTube or blogging, so this video might be helpful for them also. That being said, I'm Gautam and I'm signing out.